I'm pretty sure that this problem is operator error, so I'm hoping that you could help me out. I wanted to check out your boom cards because I wanted to create a boom card for one of my teachers. So when I come over to your page where you have a sample, when I click into boom cards, this is what I get. So I've been messing around with it and trying to get in, and I just haven't been able to. First it told me that I was a teacher, so see, I'm not signed in at all. It says that my PIN isn't valid, so then when I maybe try to go to fast play, nothing is working. So I don't know what's going on here. Also, I went into your deck card, and that's still not working for me either. So I don't know what is going on, but let me show you what it does when I try to work through your deck card. So let me see here. I need to go to engagement, and I need to go into the activity, right? Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I'm not doing any of this right. So I'm going to sign in with Google, and then I'm going to sign in with my name. And then, I start here, yes. And then I look at this, yes, everything's fine. And then I want to do this activity, so I click here. Then I'm going to match all these guys up, right? I did students. This is behavioral. This one is behavioral, affective, cognitive. This guy is affective, and this guy is cognitive. So when I try to move this over, when I try to advance, it won't let me. It keeps on saying that it's wrong. And then when I close this guy up, let me do it again now. That's not really what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you that when I check my answers. So did students complete their work? Behavioral, yeah, this guy, do students like? Yes. Behavioral, this guy is cognitive, this one is affective. So this is really what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you that when I check the answers, it says it's all wrong. So I've checked and double checked. Again, it just keeps saying wrong. Even when I flip them around, it keeps on saying wrong. And then when I try to advance, it keeps on telling me that it's all wrong. So, and I don't know if this has something to do with it. This 2 out of 4, I don't know. Anyway, help me out. I am sure it's operator error.